So the coverage and the internet cost are the responsibilities of the telecommunication companies and the government. We can't do anything about that. But we are a business. And so how do we work around the poor internet coverage and the high cost of internet to ensure that our students still get access to high quality material, study everywhere they are, and put them in the position so they can go into the exam hall, write the exam with confidence, and pass the examination? How? That meant we needed to build a bridge. So we needed to become the bridge between the dream of people and their reality. So people who want to become chartered accountants, people who want to take their life to the next level, we had to become the bridge. Now, that bridge must then have three key components that will help us to really transform people so that they can deal with or overcome the challenges of high cost of internet and also low or poor internet coverage. The first element of the bridge was video downloads in the mobile application. And so we went back using technology to enable our students to download the videos and view them without data or internet right in the mobile application. And so now with the Nhyira Premium mobile application, whether you are on the Android or you're on iOS, that is Apple, you can download the video. So what does that mean? It means that maybe you are in the outskirts of town and then you come to the town once a week or twice a week. Okay, no problem. When you come and you have access to the internet, what do? You just go into the mobile application and download as many videos as you can with the internet. That means that now you go home or you go to wherever you are, you don't need internet again. You can still study because you get access to high quality study materials, lecture videos. Then you can really study to pass the examination. High cost of internet shouldn't stop you from pursuing your goals to become a chartered accountant. Poor internet coverage in your area, in your city, in your town, in your location should not stop you. So the Nhyira Premium mobile application, we have enabled it to help you to download the videos, access them, and play them without the need for the internet. That was the first thing we fixed as the bridge to transform people's life. But we went a little deeper. It's good to download the videos, but that meant that people are downloading 3-hour videos. But to be able to watch that 3-hour video, that means you are technically going to use about 4, 5, or 6 hours to exhaustively watch the entire video. So again, we sat down and be like, okay, how do we fix that? And that took us to the second element on the bridge, and that is the key summary videos. And so, as some of you know already, in the mobile application, you are getting access to summary videos on almost all the subjects. So you pick financial reporting, corporate reporting, strategic case study, advanced audit and assurance, financial management, whatever. There are summary videos there. So what does that mean? It means you don't necessarily have to spend time to watch that 3-hour video. Whatever topic you have based on your study plan, you just go under the summary video and watch the summary videos which explain the principles underlining that topical area. What does that mean? It means that now students can finish the syllabus in record time. So instead of spending 6 hours to be able to watch one 3-hour lecture video, now you can spend 40 minutes, 30 minutes, or an hour, watch the summary videos. Everything is understood. Principles are explained. Then you can expose yourself to questions. So that was the second key element, which is now available, accessible, and we've received a lot of praises about especially the summary videos because it helps you to walk through the syllabus in a record time. You know, right from the beginning, we understood that people don't have time, and we don't also. I don't want to spend 6 hours to do something that I can do in an hour. I don't want to do it. And so how can people go through the syllabus in record time without spending more hours? That is why the summary videos are there. And as I mentioned, we have received a lot of praises, a lot of students saying that, hey, Nhyira, the summary videos, the best thing that I've ever used, because it helps me to walk through the syllabus in record time, understanding the principles so I can pass the examination. And so if you are part of our community or you are planning to join our community, definitely the summary videos still available. And the good news is that currently it is only accessible in the mobile applications, but we are working to bring it directly on the website as well. What it means then is that you will be able to watch those summary videos as well on the website going into the future as we leverage technology and bring those premium content as well on the website. But that was the second key component of the bridge on how we can help our students deal with low network coverage and high internet costs. But it didn't end there. We then went to say, okay, in addition to having the videos downloadable, having the key summary videos, students also need study materials. And so over the years, we have brought in our study materials to help students to be able to study. And some of you may have seen this. So we have book on public sector, financial reporting, advanced audit and assurance, strategic case study, corporate reporting, taxation, management accounting, financial management. All these are some of our books that we have available. And the beauty of these is that they are structured in a manner to enable you to go through the syllabus in a record time with practice questions. Public sector like this, we have a lot of practice questions in it. Management accounting, a lot of practice questions. Advanced audit and assurance, a lot of practice questions in these to enable you to go into the exam hall and write the examination. Because it is not enough to just watch the summary videos. You need to get questions to solve. It is not enough to just get the principles. Sometimes you need to crystallize them in materials. And so that was the third thing in our bridge element in bringing our students to their destination. But we didn't end there. We realized that students have to also solve questions and work on their speed and accuracy. And so we have the live practice questions right on our website. And so on the website, on your respective courses, the live practice question is available there. Maybe permit me to see if I can demonstrate that a little to you. So when you log in or you sign into the website, you come to your courses, and that is going to display all of the courses that you have. Now, this is a demo account, so it has all the courses. And so whatever course you have, you're going to see actions. And under the actions, you're going to see a number of things here. View or read opens the course. Then you see essay test, essay results. Then you see MQC, that is multiple choice questions test. The reason we baked this into the platform was because we knew that there is a time coming where everything is going to be digitized. Currently, as of today, the ICAG level 1 papers are no longer paper written. They are computer-based examination. And that is happening gradually, and there is a time coming where level 2, level 3, everything is going to be written online. And so before then, we knew, because remember, we are ahead of time. We see what we want to do, and we've seen the implementation of some of these things across the world, and we know it was just a matter of time it will reach here. So that is why we baked the multiple choice question test in this. And so although currently, at this very moment, level 2 papers, they are not multiple choice questions. These texts, live practice tests, helps you to work on your speed and accuracy, do your calculation, and crystallize the principles. So if you click on multiple choice question like this, boom, it opens the question. And you can see the total time there, 44 minutes. And each question has a timer. So this question is 2 minutes and it is counting down. And the question is available here. As you can see, mean score acquired, how much to be recognized. And almost all these questions will require you to work before you select your answer. Once you select your answer, now the beauty is that if you're not able to work within the time, the system automatically goes to the next question and you lose that question. So this live practice question is to help our students work with speed and accuracy and work on their timing so they can pass their examination. And so for management accounting, financial reporting, corporate reporting, financial management, all of these are baked into it to help our students to work with speed and accuracy and remember the things that they are learning very well. And so, yes, there is poor internet coverage. Yes, there is high internet cost. But that doesn't mean you cannot become a chartered accountant. That doesn't mean you have to abandon the dream. With our mobile application, you can download videos. With our mobile application and platform, you can get access to the key summary videos so you can go through the syllabus in record time. That is the most important thing. I tell people this always. Success is measured in time. So if you can do something in 1 hour and someone else will do it in 10 hours, you are more successful than that person. You will go far than that person. Yes, you've all done it, but you did it before them. And that is how success is. That is how you can take your life to the next level. So the key summary videos are there. Our study manuals are available that you can get access to. Use them to help you to study. And certainly the online practice question portal available to help you so you can work on your speed and accuracy and study very well at the end of the day. So that was the bridge we built to carry our students, irrespective of their past, irrespective of their stories, irrespective of the experiences they've had, to help them to achieve their goals. And over the years, we've done that and continue to do that. So that is the bridge that we built.